Hello everybody, welcome to Life Elite Christmas Day 20. Okay, so of course you're going to want your 2 sweet potatoes, some olive oil, Italian seasoning, garlic salt, grated Parmesan, and then minced garlic. So you're going to first want to skin and then slice the potatoes into round pieces. So sweet potatoes are really high in vitamin K and C. They are a really healthy option to bring to your family holiday dinner, and they really are easy to make. So when in a pinch, get these guys cooking, you're golden. People are going to love them. Okay, so you want to start with the olive oil, and then you're just going to combine everything into a bowl. Mix it pretty well so that it actually turns into a paste. The exact recipe with its measurements is going to be left in the description box below. So the way I did this is I added in the sweet potatoes just a handful at a time, and you just keep stirring them up until each one is fairly coated. The other option is you can of course get out a Ziploc bag and stir them up in that. I've seen a couple different options, but I think just adding a handful at a time works best. So you want to go ahead and lay these in the pan. I choose to lay them kind of decoratively as I want, but I also think it helps cook them when they're laying on their side throughout. But of course you'll see I stacked just a few in the front. Alright, so once you have all your sweet potatoes lined up in your pan, you're going to go ahead and preheat your oven to 425. Once it's set, go ahead and place your sweet potatoes in the oven for about 35 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys joining us. If you like it, please leave comments below, hit the like button, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. We always got new content coming out, and hit that notification bell so you know when the new content's coming out and you're not lagging behind. We're going to see you guys tomorrow for day 21, one day closer.